Hello guys, welcome to GMAT Point. In this video, we will be discussing about why should one take the GMAT exam. As we all know, the GMAT is one of the most widely taken MBA entrance examinations globally, and it is organized by the Graduate Management Admission Council. It is a test that is known to assess the analytical and critical thinking abilities of a candidate. The GMAT is a computer adaptive test. So every management aspirant hopes to achieve a high GMAT score that will allow him or her to apply to the top MBA colleges in India or abroad. So if you have decided to pursue an MBA, you must definitely consider taking the GMAT exam, and there are a lot of advantages of taking the GMAT exam. So in this video, we will look at all those advantages and the reasons why should you consider taking the GMAT. Okay, so if you're planning to take the GMAT exam, you can kickstart your GMAT preparation with GMAT Point. At GMAT Point, we are offering a lot of free resources for the GMAT aspirants. We are providing 5 free topic tests each on the quant and the verbal sections. And apart from this, we are also providing free GMAT daily tests. These tests are extremely beneficial during your preparation, and these are curated to match the difficulty level of the exam and also to match the exam test taking format of the GMAT exam. So these tests are highly recommended, and you can take these tests for free on our website gmatpoint.com. And also having a peer group is extremely important during your GMAT preparation. So we have a Telegram group for the GMAT aspirants wherein you can post and discuss your queries with your peers and exam experts. And having a good peer group during your preparation keeps you motivated and will also help you discuss various concepts, test taking strategies, mistakes and all such things with your peers. Apart from that, if you have any other queries regarding the GMAT preparation or about the free daily tests that we are offering, you can reach out to us at support@gmatpoint.com. You can also WhatsApp or call us on this number 630-323-9042. So before we look at the reasons to take the GMAT exam, let us quickly look at the exam structure and the exam format of the GMAT. The duration of the exam is 3 hours and 7 minutes, and the candidate also has the option of taking 2 8-minute breaks during the exam. There are totally 4 sections in the exam and the total number of questions are 80. The mode of examination is online. The candidates have the option to take the exam at home or at a test center, and there is no negative marking in the exam. And this is the exam pattern of the GMAT. So these are the 4 sections in the exam. There are 31 questions in the quantitative reasoning section with 62 minutes. We have the verbal reasoning section with 36 questions and 65 minutes. Then there is the integrated reasoning section with 12 questions and the time limit is 30 minutes. There's also an analytical writing assessment section with 1 question. Basically, you have to write an essay here and the time limit is 30 minutes. Also, as mentioned earlier, since GMAT is one of the most widely taken exams, MBA entrance exams globally, one usually needs a GMAT score of 650 or a 700 plus to apply to the top B schools in the world. Also, the overall score of GMAT, which is out of 800, this overall score includes these 2 sections only, the quantitative reasoning and the verbal reasoning section. Alright, now why should you take the GMAT exam? So if you have decided to pursue an MBA from India or abroad, there are numerous advantages of taking the GMAT exam, and also the GMAT is taken by over 2 lakh candidates worldwide, and following are the reasons for why should one take the GMAT exam. So firstly, the GMAT has a wider global acceptance. So it is the most widely used exam for MBA admissions globally, and the exam is accepted by more than 7,000 MBA and master's programs worldwide. The scores are accepted by over 2,300 schools globally, and also the exam is accepted in over 110 countries. As mentioned earlier, the exam measures the candidates' analytical thinking and critical reasoning skills. These skills are highly relevant during and post MBA. So a good score in the GMAT is a proof of your commitment and hard work to pursue a management degree, and hence the exam is highly trusted and accepted by a wide variety of B schools worldwide. So a high GMAT score increases your chances of getting admitted to your dream B school. The other major reason you should consider taking the GMAT is the flexibility. The candidates have the flexibility to take the exam anytime during a year. So one can take the exam when he or she is ready to take it. So the candidates can take the exam up to 5 times in a year. And the overall limit to take the GMAT exam is 8 times. So this is the overall limit. The next major reason is the score validity. The GMAT score is valid for 5 years, and hence this allows you the flexibility of building your profile before you start your MBA program. So you would also have enough time to build your profile, and that would be extremely beneficial before you start your MBA. And also the GMAT takes lesser time to prepare, especially when compared to other MBA entrance exams such as the CAT. It does not take too many months to prepare for the exam if one prepares with proper planning and seriousness. So someone with a decent grasp of the concepts tested in the GMAT exam would take roughly 2 to 3 months to prepare for the exam, and on the other hand, someone who's starting from the scratch takes 5 to 6 months to prepare for the exam and crack the exam. And on the other hand, other MBA entrance exams such as CAT require much more time to prepare. For somebody starting from scratch would take around 6 to 8 months to prepare for the CAT. Whereas for the GMAT, the time taken to prepare is much lesser. And other major advantage of taking the GMAT exam is the opportunity to receive an MBA scholarship. Many top B schools around the world offer scholarships, either full or partial, especially to the students who have achieved a high GMAT score. So a good GMAT score, say around 710 plus, will also increase your chances of receiving a scholarship from your dream B school. Also, as the GMAT is a computer adaptive test, while taking the exam it tries to match up to your ability while taking the test, so you won't get penalized too badly for the errors made during the exam. And computer adaptive simply means that your next question depends on your response to your previous question or previous questions. So if you have answered your previous question correctly, the next question will be usually of a higher difficulty level. Or let's say if you answered your first question incorrectly, then your next question will be slightly easier. So the questions try to match up to your ability while taking the test. And also, as there is no negative marking, so you won't be penalized too badly for your errors during the exam. The candidates also have the option to take the GMAT exam at home. So one can take the exam at home conveniently, and the GMAT online test at home option is available in most countries including India. And the candidates can take the exam on either a Windows or a Mac personal computer or laptop at home. So due to the COVID pandemic, the option of taking the GMAT exam at home has been provided to the candidates. Better growth prospects post your MBA. So getting into a top B school through the GMAT increases your earning potential, and it also opens a wide range of opportunities after your MBA. So there's a much higher chance of growth after having pursued an MBA from a top B school. And also if you look at the top MBA colleges accepting the GMAT scores in India, the candidates can get admission into some of the most reputed MBA colleges through the GMAT, and also some of these colleges are also ranked among the best B schools in the world. Firstly, we have the Indian School of Business, Hyderabad. ISB Hyderabad is not only the best B school in India accepting the GMAT score, it is also one of the best ranked B schools around the world. The average package offered at ISB is around 28 lakh per annum, and other top B schools in India include SPJIMR Mumbai, that is the SP Jain Institute of Management and Research. Also, the IIMs accept the GMAT score for their one-year MBA program. And then there is XLRI Jamshedpur, IMT Ghaziabad, and then there is Great Lakes Chennai. And then we have TAPMI, LBSIM Delhi, GIM Goa, and so on. So these are the top B schools accepting the GMAT scores in India. We hope that this video is helpful to you. If you have any doubts regarding the GMAT preparation or the free GMAT daily tests that we are offering, you can put them in the comment section below. We'll try to address them immediately. Also, please do subscribe to our channel. It will encourage us to make more such important and useful videos for you. Thank you for watching.